warm-ups for belly dance. First thing we need to do is stretch the fingers and the hands. So we can begin by pressing back the fingers. We need the hands and fingers to be very flexible to make finger shapes. We can also practice touching each finger to the thumb. Touch each finger in turn to the thumb. We can also do finger wipes. So we take the middle finger and stretch the finger, splay the other hand, middle finger, pull, pressing this middle finger downwards with strength. You can also try that one hand, just trying to wipe your middle finger from the bottom near your wrist and extend it out. We can do palm C, a curve, so we can go concave, convex, palm C shape, and then stretch it the opposite way as much as you can, making concave to convex. Really stretch. It's quite hard if you want to help press your fingers over for a bit of practice. Don't over push them or you'll actually damage your tendons. But just gentle easing from one to the other, one to the other. We can also practice double hand C's, twisting them round to bowl. So we put the two hands together to make a kind of circle shape, double C, twist the wrist round, so touching back to back and into bowl shape. Try again, double C, really bend them round, twist your wrist round, keep your thumbs together till they're back to back, drop, me, you're pointing to me, point to yourself, make a bowl. So one more time, here, drop them towards you, point to you, so you're saying me, drop them down, roll them, making bowl.